I'm going to be showing you how to download Roblox on your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first step is really easy. You just need to choose between your browser, whether you want to use Safari or you want to use Chrome. So just scroll down at the docs and make sure you find Safari. It's right there. Just go ahead and open it. And once you're here, you need to go to roblox.com. Make sure you go to the official website. You cannot download from other websites, only official. So just press enter and wait for it to load. So now we should see something like this. Once you're here, just log in and create an account. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, then just sign up. After you've logged in, you should see something like this. So after you're here, you just need to select the option to play. Just click the game you want. Let's say you want Dress to Impress. Just tap here, and once you're there, just go ahead and tap on this play button right there, and it'll tell you that Roblox is now loading. And now you have the option to download Roblox right over here. Just go ahead and tap there and tap on allow. And as you can see, a file has been downloaded. Just go ahead and double click this to open it. Just tap on double click or just double click to install and tap on open again. And as you can see, the download process has begun. Now you just need to do is just wait for the download and it'll appear in your applications. And now you have successfully downloaded Roblox in your MacBook. Now all you need to do is just sign in and you're good to go. So there you go. You can just go to your launchpad and you can find Roblox right here in games. So it's right there. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.